Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Powerline Select Plus USB-C to Lightning cable. So I primarily picked this cable up to replace my Apple Lightning to USB-C cable, primarily because of the durability factor, because for whatever reason Apple's cables that they make are never really durable. They always fall apart, or the wires start to come out in some weird way. I don't really understand it, but their cables are never very good. So that's primarily why I got this one. Usually a third-party cable, if it's from a reputable brand, obviously, can tend to be a lot better than that of the manufacturer's cable, the Apple cables. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for here. So this cable is 6 feet in length, and as you can see here, it is a braided cable with more durable connectors at the bottom there. So hopefully this shouldn't fray or anything like that. And it also does support fast charging for iPhone and or iOS devices that support that. So that's kind of nice. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is you need to make sure you already have some kind of a USB-C charger, wall brick rather. Otherwise, you won't be able to use this. So you can also plug this into a laptop or computer that has dedicated USB-C ports as well, obviously, so you can charge and sync your device with your computer. So there's the cable itself. Oh wow, that's kind of, I didn't expect that. It looks like it comes with a little, what is this? Okay, yeah, so this is some kind of a little, I guess, travel carrying pouch that you can carry your cable or store your cable in. Okay, so let's get it out of here. So again, this is a braided cable to make it much more durable for long-lasting use. And then on this end, you can see here, that is the USB-C. And then we have, of course, the standard Apple Lightning connector on the other end. And then this is just something from me. I really wish Apple could just go all USB-C and ditch the Lightning connector, but that's just me. So hopefully that wish will be granted in the near future. And then what's a nice thing too is that it comes with this little Velcro thing right here, which I've noticed a lot of cables tend to do nowadays. And effectively what that is it's a built-in wire tie, allowing you to coil up the cable and keep it nice and tidy. So pretty cool. It's just little things like that that I tend to appreciate. But anyway, that is essentially it for this unboxing type of video here of the Anker USB-C to Lightning cable. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I do have another video coming that will be of the power brick that is made for this cable, also made by Anker, so keep a lookout for that. But anyway, that's basically it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.